Welcome to this week's News from the Lake. Today is the book launch day for J. Edwin Booya's Enough Time. We also announced the new flash fiction theme for our flash fiction contest, which is Satanic Panic. Check the description for the link. We also announced the latest winners for our Shallow Waters Flash contest. I'll also put the info in the description. We'd also like to congratulate Genevieve Flynn, who is nominated for the Australasian HWA Shadows Award. We also revealed the cover for Dark Tide 21, which includes Tim Wagoner, Gary A. Braunbeck, and Andrew Nadolny. The release of Dark Tide 20 is also 1 week away. Dark Tide 20 is Urban Legends with Nick Roberts, Lee Kenny, and Dan Franklin. You can pre-order it now on paperback, hardcover, and Kindle. Kindle Unlimited will also be available on launch day. We also republished 2 Christine Morgan titles this week. You can find White Death and Birthright on Amazon, various ebook platforms, and of course your local bookstore. Our very first Crystal Lake Kids title is out on Tuesday. Be sure to check out Chris McCauley's Dr. Franken's Dice. The My Evil Neighbor ebook is also on sale for 99 cents. Together with Monsters Books, we are launching a Kickstarter for Darkest Depths, a new anthology series of comic books. We started this project with Taylor Grant a few years ago, but unfortunately our friend passed away. We are now continuing on with this series in his honor, and the profits from the first campaign will go to his son Zane. We're almost done with Jonathan Mayberry's Joe Ledger graphic novel. You can still pre-order a copy. Until next time, happy Star Wars month.